Namaste. Welcome you all in this next session. Here I'll talk about Kundalini and Kriya Yoga. They both are the part of Laya Yoga. According to Yog Chudamani, whole yoga can be divided into 4 parts. One is called Hatha Yoga, which I already spoke about that in the previous section. Then you have Laya Yoga, then you have Bhakti Yoga, and then you have Raj Yoga. So Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga, they are almost similar, but there is a bit difference. Raj Yoga is basically meditation part. In Kundalini Kriya Yoga, they work on energy, sleeping energy in your system, along your spine. At the base of your spine, just above the root center, there is a triangular structure. In that, Kundalini sleeps in the form of snake, 2.5 coil. Its mouth, its tail is in its mouth. When the Kundalini activates, it moves along the spine. Just like the movement of energy, different people have different kinds of experiences. This is very secret technique given by masters. How can you activate your Kundalini and how it can move up? You become Urdhretas, the movement of energy along the spine upward in your Sushumna, the central channel, and can reach to the Sahasrara, the crown center. There are techniques there. There are some breathing techniques. Basically here in Western world, they do one kind of breathing they call Shwasan Jwala, breath of fire, especially taught by a Yogi Bhajan, one Punjabi teacher. That is not Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini Yoga is very secret. It is based on Kundalini Tantra, what we teach here. There are some basic techniques like how you do certain kinds of breathing. In our school, we teach 8 kinds of breathing techniques. And then that activates the center and it goes up. There are many special pranayama in Kundalini Yoga, and that really attributes, it helps you to activate energy up. Kundalini Yoga should be done in the special guidance of a teacher. You should never learn from books here and there. If you want to learn, you must learn from a teacher. Kriya Yoga is another part of Kundalini Yoga. Kriya Yoga is basic. Kriya means action. Through action, how can be yoga? Yoga means combine. How can combine yourself to the whole universe through the action? The Kriya Yoga is basically you are joining yourself to the universe. And according to Maharshi Patanjali, Tapah Swadhyaya Ishwara Pranidhana Kriya Yoga. That is the definition of Kriya Yoga. In our lineage, our culture, which comes from Mahavatar Babaji to Lahari Mahashay to Yukteswara Giri and to my master, there are special breathing techniques and exercises which we do to activate our chakras and Kundalini. The basic Kriya exercises what we do, we have 33 recharging exercises in our school, which is designed by me and my master. Why 33 only? Because along your spine we have 33 bones, and in Hindu tradition we have 33 Koti Devata, types of Devata. Koti means not billions, 33 types of Devata, and how those exercises can recharge you. After recharging your body, you become full of energy. Then we focus on the breath work, and after doing simple Kriya Pranayamas, then we have Omkar Kriyas. And those Omkar Kriyas are given to you by your master, by your teacher. And we do Kriya Yoga initiation. We do Vasudev Kriya as well. Those Kriyas are very secret. It's the best thing to learn from the master and practice for your personal growth. If you have any question regarding this, please feel free to contact me. Namaste.